Good morning, welcome to Madam K's Tarot. My name is Kathleen, I'll be your tarot reader. I am reading for Libra, and I look back at the last videos I did, and I don't know, it's like yours just disappeared. So I do apologize, Libra. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. When you subscribe, it opens a portal to your energy that I can connect with, and it puts more emphasis into this reading. If you want a private reading, all the information is below. Sorry if I look like I'm shuffling funny. I think I broke the tip of this finger taking the dog out this morning. Yellow Lab, great dog, but he's such an asshole. Now, male dominance, he's 10, never got him fixed, so yeah, he's the boss. Spirit, please join and guide me in this reading for Libra. Singles. Ask my archangels, guardian angels, spirits, please protect me from any negative outside influences. Welcome, Spirit. Thank you. All right, Libra. King of Pentacles. Overall energy. Success. Monetary success. Value, things we touch. Possessions. Taurus, Gemini, Capricorn. Is that right? No, it's not Gemini. It's Virgo. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Masculine energy. Very, very, very attractive. Libra. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Queen of Cups. Six of Pentacles. The Emperor. Boy, he's sure that's a powerful energy that's been out lately. And the Ten of Wands. So I see you as trying to figure out what went wrong, Libra. Why you were given breadcrumbs in this relationship. There was no balance. There was no equal give and take. Pardon me. The Emperor now, in his power, set in his ways, wears his armor, but it shows you trying to let go of this heavy burden. It's the end of you carrying this heavy burden. At the bottom of the deck is the Star, the Empress, Page of Pentacles. The universe is guiding you and telling you to nurture yourself. Manifest what you want. This is the card of abundance. If you want that abundance, manifest it. Go get it. Go out and get it. If, things weren't balanced in this this past, I'm taking it as a past relationship, it doesn't serve you. It shows you overcoming this, claiming victory by getting control over your emotions and your thinking and moving forward. Whatever you're planning, wishing, trying to make happen, the universe is lining up for that. Why is the Empress here? The Empress is the nurturer. She's, all powerful, all giving. Yes, thank you, Spirit. Judgment. You need to stop judging yourself. Stop putting all this on you. Stop carrying this heavy burden. Stop building these walls up around you. You got all this passion for love. You want love, but you wear this armor. This is a very wise, strong energy. Resurrect yourself. Come back. Come back stronger, more confident. Nurture yourself. Be kind to yourself. It's like past second chances that were missed. You're being given this opportunity to go after it again. There's great success here. Even an opportunity for a long-term commitment, but you get in your own way and start tearing it apart with your thinking, and then you slow everything right down. Now, I'm going to tell you, Libra, if you're thinking about starting a brand new relationship in retrograde, don't do it, because it's everything is short-lived when we started. If you've been working on it for a while, that's a different story. But I say that because you're manifesting here and trying to create balance, and communication is coming in of good news. You are being told to move forward out of this turbulent energy that you felt from not having balance in your emotions. Wow, Libra. We always go back to this love. I'm going to turn them this way because this is the way I see them. Someone from your past, okay, has got you all bound up in your thinking about love. Questioning yourself, doubting yourself. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. You got a lot of really positive energies here. It's how you manipulate them and use them. It's how you control the energy around you. Get out of this thinking. Get out of your own head. Come from the heart, not the head. Because there's a great opportunity for love here. And this struggle in the past is ending. There's a big disrupt that's ending this situation. So a new opportunity can come and be given. It's a whole new life cycle starting for you. Take advantage of it, Libra. Lot of successful energy, moving forward energy, strength, trust in yourself, nurture yourself. If you want something, you have to go after it, and you have to go after it from the heart. Hey, you guys, please be safe out there.